Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on passive income. In today's video, we'll be diving into bonds and how you can earn steady passive income from them. Bonds are a great way to grow your wealth while minimizing risk. So, let's get started. What are bonds? First of all, what exactly are bonds? A bond is essentially a loan that you give to a company, government, or even a city. When you buy a bond, you're lending your money to the bond issuer, who agrees to pay you interest over a certain period of time. Then, when the bond reaches its maturity date, you get your original investment back. It's kind of like lending money to a friend and they promise to pay you back with interest, but in this case, you're lending to much bigger institutions, and the interest payments are regular and guaranteed. How do you earn money from bonds? So, how do you actually make money with bonds? It's all about the interest payments, which are often referred to as the bond's coupon. When you buy a bond, the issuer agrees to pay you interest at regular intervals, usually every 6 months. This interest is the passive income you earn just by holding the bond. For example, if you buy a $1,000 bond with a 5% interest rate, you'll receive $50 a year in interest. This might not seem like a lot, but bonds are considered safer than stocks and provide steady income, which makes them a good way to diversify your investments. Types of bonds. Now let's talk about the different types of bonds you can invest in. 1. Government bonds. These are issued by national governments, like US Treasury bonds or Canadian government bonds. They are considered very safe because governments are unlikely to default. The downside is that they usually offer lower interest rates. 2. Corporate bonds. These are issued by companies. They tend to offer higher interest rates than government bonds because companies have a high risk of defaulting compared to governments. 3. Municipal bonds. These are issued by cities or local governments. One benefit is that the interest you earn might be tax-free, depending on where you live, making them a good option for higher income earners. How to buy bonds now? How do you get started with buying bonds? There are two main ways. Individual bonds. You can buy bonds directly through a broker, similar to how you'd buy stocks. You'll hold on to these bonds until they mature and collect the interest payments along the way. Bond funds. If you want to diversify and don't want to buy individual bonds, you can invest in bond funds like ETFs or mutual funds. These funds invest in a mix of different bonds, reducing the risk of any single bond defaulting. Advantages of bonds. Why should you consider bonds for passive income? Here are some key benefits. 1. Stability. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks, so they provide more stability to your investment portfolio. 2. Regular income. With bonds, you know when and how much interest you'll receive, making it a reliable source of passive income. 3. Diversification. Bonds can balance out riskier investments like stocks, especially during market downturns. Risks to consider. Of course, like any investment, bonds have some risks. 1. Interest rate risk. If interest rates rise, the value of your bond could decrease. This means you might not make as much money if you sell the bond before it matures. 2. Credit risk. There's a small chance the bond issuer could default, meaning they can't pay back the interest or the principal. This is more common with corporate bonds, which is why they offer higher returns. 3. Inflation risk. Bonds usually provide fixed returns, so if inflation rises, the value of your interest payments might not keep up with the cost of living. Final thoughts. So, to wrap things up, bonds are a solid option if you're looking for safe and predictable passive income. They provide steady interest payments, which makes them a great addition to your portfolio, especially if you're trying to reduce risk. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building passive income. Stay tuned for the next video in our series, where we'll dive into another way to generate income while you sleep. Let me know if you'd like to make any changes or add more details. Please like, share and subscribe.